There are a number of ways to make money online without having to invest any money up front. Here are a few options. Online surveys. Many market research companies are looking for people to help them gather data by taking online surveys. Some popular survey sites include Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, and Inbox Dollars. Freelancing. Websites like Upwork and Freelancer allow you to offer your skills and services to people who need them. You can find work as a writer, graphic designer, virtual assistant, or in many other fields. Selling on Amazon. Amazon offers a program called Fulfillment by Amazon, FBA, that allows you to sell your own products on their website. You can also sell products that you source from elsewhere. Affiliate marketing. You can earn money by promoting other people's products on your website or social media channels. When someone clicks on one of your affiliate links and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Online tutoring. You can make money by teaching others online. You can teach a language, a musical instrument, or any other subject you are proficient in. Content creation. You can create content on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, etc., and monetize them by showing ads and sponsorships. Online coaching. Many people are looking for help with fitness, business, and life in general. If you have experience in a particular area, you can offer your services as an online coach or consultant. Blogging. Starting a blog and monetizing it with affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and advertising can be a great way to make money online. Online trading. You can make money by trading stocks, cryptocurrencies, or other assets online. Dropshipping. You can also make money online by starting a dropshipping business. This is where you set up an online store and sell products without holding any inventory. The key to success in any of these methods is to find something you are passionate about and then put in the time and effort to make it work. There are many ways to make money online without paying anything up front, but it will take time and effort to find the right opportunity for you. With patience and persistence, you can turn your online ventures into a profitable business.